He's dirty.
Body big.
Doom and Raid.
I got it, Raven.
Okay, Zora
Get the
got
crystal before it explodes.
Blazing
Keep
taunt.
shooting.
Blazing taunt.
Big
Keep going, keep going.
Somebody bubble.
It's over.
Good try.
People
Run
gotta
back,
learn
do
to
the
fucking-
same thing again.
It's too cool for the shoes.
Char move. Platino
Somebody
Raven.
back up. I shall be back in time.
Somebody back.
I got it.
Alright.
So far,
Second
keep
Char.
combined.
No one move.
Scoot up 2 inches.
Can't do that. I'm 8. Countdown should be coming out soon. Countdown. Pour on
It's
Alan.
on me, I have dirty. I have dirty.
Alright, third Char, I am taking it.
So someone's gonna have to sub for me. Ziho, I must.
No, somebody.
Etchy, you are going to have to partner with me. Alan's gone.
I'm here. Go when you're ready.
Vark, you're just gonna take the first shard
Go
first.
when you're ready. Don't
So
die.
make it refreshing.
Cause you're stacked on top of Doom.
And she's not moving. And I'm frashing this.
Yeah, I did move.
This is the first one. Vark, you're taking it first.
It's left.
Never mind, I guess
Taking
I'm-
it.
Alan Bowser.
Somebody's
You're gonna
gonna
be
get
dirty
the-
Bowser.
That's me. Don't have a run weapon, might need a little.
Here's the second person.
Kill Platino.
Second Char is coming out, get rid.
Yeah, second shard. Oh,
I got 13 seconds.
okay. Ryu, take this next shard first. Ryu, take it first.
Shari's right here
You're in
next.
the middle.
Range in the
Back
back,
Karma,
good
can you
job.
scoot up a couple inches?
And Doom, take it after.
Hey, Itchy, move a bit.
Alright.
Just move away when you're done.
Keep
right?
going, guy.
I'm
Be
clean.
dirty with Zora.
Edge is clean.
Oh, we're not dirty. We're good to go to Zora.
That's me.
Alright.
Okay, back to number 3. After this one.
Karma, you got first?
Yep.
Shot 3, I'm gonna take this first.
It's on left.
She can take that one. Move from there. Move from there.
Whoever that maze, move first.
Yeah, stay there. Stay there.
Alright, down.
Oh, you can keep it up. I'll be your partner.
And Mixie, you got the next one, right?
Boat's taking the crystal.
Yeah.
Okay, Q, are you clean now?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Okay, then we're back to 1 after this.
You boat, I'm taking the crystal. Nice. Char, move.
He's dirty.
Far right side, get to that.
Who has that one?
I think he's dirty. Might want to help
Keep a
kill
thing up.
the melee.
Yeah, Bob. Leon has.
Was that bad comment? Got read. Okay, I'll take yours first, bad comment, and then Zora.
25%.
I'm gonna disperse.
Alright, Mitch.
Alright, the next one's the second shard though, so.
Yeah, I'm still
Second
good.
shot's coming.
Doom's good for second shard.
You
That's the next
can
one.
back
I'm not
up,
sure if I'll be
ready
able
to
to get
back
the
up.
big one.
Do not let the Char. Far
Edge
left
has this
for
one.
range.
Edge has it.
I got it.
Doom's got it.
Good job.
Okay,
You want to
not
know
let
how
it
many
show
people
explode.
are dead?
Countdown, get to
Yeah, I got 15
countdown.
seconds.
Oh my god, get.
Edge is
I
out.
got 10.
Do not let anything explode.
Okay.
Yeah, Karma's
bad
good for third.
karma and Zora are next. We're gonna be good.
Alright, I'm good. Mitch.
Okay, bad karma and then you.
Third Char, both got
Alright.
this. Throw shark coming out.
Oh, don't stack on Doom.
10%.
It's in the back.
She's gonna take
Well, I have it.
Alright, I'm right next to the elemental.
Here, Vork, move back a bit. Vork, move back a bit. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here.
I got my part. I'm moving now. Alan, take over.
MXD, we got the next one, right? I
We're
got
at
it.
5%.
Yeah.
Me and MXD got the next one.
Give it up, guys. Count
It's on
down.
me.
Do not let that explode.
You're not gonna be
3%.
Go back to 1.
Good job. Keep going, guys.
Yo, meta bitch, you dead, son.
Thank
Wow.
fucking
Back to
God.
Good.
Nobody
Such a-
died.
Dick there.
Finally.
Hell yeah, that was perfect. What the hell?